In today's video, I want to share how I made this built-in shelf cabinet. I've recently removed the carpet in my bedroom and painted the walls. Usually in my room, I have this set of clothes that I've worn once, which I don't consider dirty or simply clothes that needs to go to the dry cleaners, and that clothes always ends up on top of my dresser. This is why I decided to make a built-in shelf cabinet. Before I start any projects, I like to draw them to know exactly what pieces of wood I'm going to need. And it's also good for when I ask my husband for help, I can show him what I'm talking about.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away.
I first started by drawing a 16-inch square on the ceiling's corner. From Lowe's, I bought this inexpensive 2x1 fern strip. I went ahead and cut a 16-inch long strip. I placed it on the ceiling, and this would be towards the front of my cabinet. Then I inserted 2 screws. Here I'm cutting a piece off the 2x4 to make sure it fits from the ceiling to the floor. I placed this piece against the wall. Now I didn't have to use a 2x4. I would have liked to use a 2x2, but I just went ahead and used what I had at the moment.
Every time I divide all the fractions of my mind, take away all the pain.
Again from Lowe's, I bought these 2 pieces of 16 by 96 wood panels, and these are 3/4 thick. They did have some cheaper wood panels, however, I still decided to go with this one. Here I'm placing the wood panel against the 2x4 and the 2x1 wood strip on top. When placing the side panel, I made sure to leave a 3/4 inch space to fit another 2x1 wood strip. When placing the 2x1, I made sure that the 2-inch side was facing out. Then I made sure to line up the side panel with the front of the cabinet and inserted the screws. Then I picked up this inexpensive 6x96 wood panel, which I placed against this wall. And at the bottom of the side panel, it's pretty sturdy. However, I still added this 2x1 wood strip at a 15.25 inch long, which not only adds sturdiness to the whole frame, but it completes the face of the cabinet. Then drill and insert the screw. My husband helped me to install the hinges to the door panel. The hinges come with a template, which we placed on the door panel. Then we simply mark it where we wanted to install it. And here we're using a 1 3/8 inch Irwin marble strobed and a 2-pack of the Brainer soft close cabinet hinges, which I will make sure to include the links to these items in the description box. Then we want to make sure the hinges are straight, and for that we used a Carpenters square, or as I call it, the triangle. And once it was straight, we inserted the screws. And here it is. It's all done. Now I just have to paint and add the shelves. And now the final results.